Xfinity now allows limited appless activation for X5 pods. These methods provide basic functionality, though the app may still be needed for advanced features. First method, use the Xfinity web portal. Log in to xfinity.com/myaccount, navigate to Devices, select Add Device, choose X5 pods, and use your gateway's serial number to authorize. Second method, manual Ethernet setup. Plug the pod directly into your gateway with an Ethernet cable, power it on, then access the pod's local IP address through a web browser for basic settings. Third method, WPS pairing. Press the WPS button on both your gateway and the pod simultaneously for automatic pairing. Keep in mind that while these methods allow basic functionality, the app might still be needed for advanced features. Having trouble activating your X5 pods without the app? Let's troubleshoot the common issues step by step. First, ensure your gateway firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. If your pods aren't connecting, check for signal interference from devices like microwaves and try relocating the pods. IP conflicts can prevent connection, so try resetting the pod by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, then attempt repairing. If you're still facing issues, use a speed test website to check if your pods are underperforming. Contact Xfinity support for further assistance. Remember to enable two-factor authentication on your Xfinity account to enhance security, especially when using web-based activation methods.